Welcome! In front of me I have HAYLOU Solar Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by the icon changing the color, basically getting highlighted. And then you can press the upper button to go back to watch face, and if you want to disable the mode, you need to open the quick panel again, tap on the icon again, and the icon will go back to gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also do this through the settings, so if we press the upper button on the home page to open the menu, then tap on settings, then find the option called user preferences, and here tap on Do Not Disturb, and we can turn on and off the mode by tapping on the switch next to Do Not Disturb mode, or Do Not Disturb rather, but we can also tap on activation method, and here we can select schedule activation, and this allows us to make a schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode, and it will be turning on automatically and turning off automatically. And to do that, you can set the start time, and the end time. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on automatically at 10:30 p.m. and turning off automatically at 8:30 a.m. And you can also change the activation method by tapping on all day activation, and it won't be, and the schedule won't be active anymore. But if you like to have it, select the scheduled activation. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.